Hi everybody, this is Lonnie. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've moved to a new place and started up my new shop here. Um, this video is the first one I've made in a while, but this is how to hook multiple devices up to the same exhaust line. So I'll get to it. This is how I hooked up multiple machines to one exhaust. At the back of each machine you start with the pipe coming out. It's 3" from the WeCreate. There's a adapter here that goes from 3" to 4". Then there's a shut-off valve here that goes up and down to open and close the tube. And then from there, it goes into the blower, and from the blower to the main line. And you can see it goes down to the next one, where at the next one, it comes out of the back of the machine, goes through the transition, through the gate, to the motor, to the duct, and then it goes to a Y. And the Y, this is from the first machine, this is the second machine, comes into the Y, which makes the new main. Continues on to the next machine, goes to a Y, and goes on down to the next machine, goes into a Y, and then goes up, and then goes out. So all 4 machines are run on the same exhaust duct. And I will put on my webpage the parts and pieces. Everything's off of Amazon. You just got to remember to open and close the proper duct, and it'll exhaust it all out. You can run 1 machine, 2 machines, however many you want at the same time. But when you close those ducts, it isolates it so you don't get back feed from a machine that's not running. So the next question is, well, I got a dryer vent. Can I hook it and run it through the dryer vent? A few things that you need to consider when thinking about doing that. Number one, the lint that is generated is not good for the machine, and lint is highly flammable, so I would kind of refrain from that. If you did it, you'd better make sure it's clean all the time. And under no circumstances would I do it coming off of a gas machine. You might be able to get over it with an electric one, but it's still dangerous. But a gas machine, definitely not, because there's toxic fumes coming out of that, and even the smallest leak into the room is not good for you. So I would stay with just the machines. I'd stay away from doing it to your dryer vent. If you do it, be careful doing it, and it's your own hazard. I wouldn't recommend it.